Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel Scene Tech. Today, I'll walk you through a feature on Instagram that lets you hide likes on your posts. This can be a helpful option for those who want to focus more on their content rather than the number of likes. Let's see how it's done. Step 1. Open Instagram app. Open your Instagram application on your Android device. Step 2. Navigate to your profile. Once you're on the home screen, tap on your profile picture at the bottom right corner to go to your profile. Step 3. Setting and privacy. Now, we need to access the settings and privacy. On your profile, you'll see 3 horizontal lines at the top right corner. Tap on it to open the menu, and at the bottom, you'll find Settings and Privacy. Click on Settings and Privacy. Step 4. Like and share count. In the Setting and Privacy, you see the list of options. Select Like and Share Count. Tap on it. Step 5. Enable. In the Like and Share Count option, you see the option called Hide Like and Share Count. Tap and enable Hide Like and Share option, it will blue out. Conclusions. And that's how you can hide likes on your Instagram posts, giving you more control over your content's visibility. Keep in mind that this feature might not be available in all regions yet. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more content, and drop any questions or other social media topics you'd like me to cover in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.